Hello everyone, welcome to the channel F&B's Farm. To give you an update, I will be planting a few vegetables in the next coming weeks out here in Cyprus. I have a plot of land which is approximately over 7,000 square meters, but I haven't quite decided how I'm going to sort of plan out planting. So in the meantime, I'm going to use my home. I have a 9 square meter balcony I'm standing at right now. I'm going to use part of it to plant some vegetables, and as you can see here, I've got various pots, various sizes. I've also got some earth within the bigger pots at the bottom there. You can't see from there, you might be able to see from down there. Also, I've got some other pots here. I dried out some potatoes, which I'm not sure if I plant these if they're going to work, but we'll have to try and see what happens. Like I said, I mean, this is something I'm new to. I did previously 3 years ago try and plant something, but they started growing, but I sort of because I didn't have the room for it, I planted various vegetables, and then in the end they started dying one by one. But anyhow, I've got enough pots here. I'll have to go and buy some soil, which I'll obviously do a video on when I do end up planting, and then what I'm going to plant, and I'll obviously do another video to update you on that. Also, the other thing I was going to say is, I've obviously got this. What I've done is I've made some holes in the lid, so I can use this to water the plants, which I've used before, and it's brilliant. If you haven't got a watering can, it's one way of watering the plants, because what you don't want to do is you don't just want to pour water from a glass or a jug straight into the pot, because then you're damaging it, what you've planted. So you need to sprinkle the water. So like I said, if you look here, you've got holes in there. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect as long as you've got a couple of holes. But yeah, that's basically it for the time being on F&B's Farm. So once I do it, like I said, get myself organised, decide what I'm going to plant, get all my pots and everything cleaned up and ready, get some soil, I'll do another update on the video. But in the meantime, guys, take care, and see you soon. Bye.